I think we just blew up the engine. We'll see what happens. Bro. Okay, we were able to shift. That's good. Okay. This was kind of happening when I was riding, but when I did the oil change, I got a lot of oil on the header wrap as that happens. So I think that's all that's happening right now is the oil on the wrap is burning. Interesting. Let's see what happens. Oh, this bike is cursed, bro. I'm just kind of assuming the worst. I think something happened in the engine. I don't see oil like gushing out anywhere, so again, no cracks or holes in the case. I don't want to jinx myself, but I don't think it's anything catastrophic. I'm not really sure what happened. I like lost power for a second, and then it backfired, and then it shut off. Okay, we're back in the garage. I'm pretty sure I know what's going on with the bike. At full throttle, the bike cut out on me. I think it was just starved of fuel. I was able to get the bike started again and get it back home. And when I investigated further, the petcock was leaking. So I think just it was starved of fuel. We're gonna go through the petcock and get this figured out. So stay tuned. Cheers. Oh, this thing's filled with gas. Draining some fuel from the gas tank so I can get the petcock off, and it's a vacuum fuel system, so petcock on, pressure into the system, and that should bring gas out. Sounds like it is. Perfect. Okay, this is pretty classic ordering eBay parts. This is supposed to be an exact fitment at how everything else is lined up. So this is how it should go. This is the OEM one where fuel is here, knob is here, vacuum line is here. On the eBay one, they've like swapped it. So I've got knob here, so it's gonna go in my tank like this, and the vacuum line is over here, and the gas line is over there, pointing in completely different directions. So it's not gonna even fit. So what we're gonna do is double check all the seals on this thing and try to get this OEM one to not leak. The O-ring here is fresh. The seals in here are new. So it's got to be around this threaded part. I'm going to put a teeny bit of sealer on all the threads. I suspect that it was this O-ring. I think the leak was coming out of here, not actually out of the petcock. So I've got this new seal here that I think is going to seal a lot better. So that probably in itself is going to fix it. So I ended up buying some new vacuum line tubing. OEM one was just like slightly too short, so now I'll have this one that I can cut to length. So we're just riding the bike around a little bit to double check the petcock is sealed and working properly. Man, this bike is loud. It sounds really good, but holy moly. I want to get to somewhere where I can go full throttle to really see if I'm getting the proper fuel delivery. That's the only thing we're really concerned about. I want to make sure petcock and the vacuum line and that whole system is working properly. So far so good. Suppose I should knock on wood now. Oh, we're braking up here for some reason. Alright, here we go. We're just gonna see what it's like. Can't really full throttle because lots of traffic, but I just want to see how it handles at higher speeds. Man, this thing's fun. Alright, I'm happy with that performance. We hit 80 like very easily. Last time I didn't get above 70 because the fuel leak was prohibiting me from doing so. Alright, we put that new seal in the petcock and that fixed the issue. I'm super hyped on that. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for next week. We'll have another video out Sunday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll put a couple of playlists up on the screen in case you've missed any of my videos. I'll do this Nighthawk Restoration playlist and the CM450 playlist. And lastly, if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.